Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I am bringing you this look today. Fast and easy, 3 shades, that's it. No cut of the crease, very simple. You could do it at home too. And guess what? You can actually choose any of the shades of your choice. This is just a look that you can put together, but depending on what you're wearing, maybe what you want to achieve, you can do it too. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned for how I created this look. Let me know down below if you have any questions or if you have any comments, any looks you would like for me to do. I will love to hear your comments. So also don't forget, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So I have this eye ready. On the eyeshadow, we're gonna go ahead and do this side and then complete the look with some eyeliner and mascara and some lipstick. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So you wanna get your favorite concealer and a brush, and we're gonna go ahead and prepare the eyelid. This is going to help your eyeshadow be on longer, and it's going to definitely help with the creasing. So we wanna go ahead and apply, I would say, a medium size coat of your concealer like so. What I like to do is once I apply the concealer, then I just grab a spongy, and you just want to pat it down. Now we're going to use a translucent powder and a beauty blender. What we're wanting to do is to seal the concealer. Every liquid has to be sealed with a powder. So grabbing just a little bit, tap the excess. Now I love this because it has a mesh where it doesn't go all over the place or make a mess. Okay, from the Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe, I'm gonna be using the shade. I do not have the name of it, but it's this shade right here. It's like a brick color, and I'm gonna put that all over my crease. And since I have a hooded eye, I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. If you do not have a hooded eye, do not worry. All you have to do is stay within the crease. So since I have a hooded eye, I'm going to start on my crease. And it's okay, we go over a little bit or below. All we want to just make sure that we have this shade right into the crease and above. Okay, so you really want to make sure you're blending that, and it's okay if you have it a little bit all over the place. We're going to go ahead and clean up and make sure it looks nice and all ready to for the final look. So we're just going to keep blending a little bit more, and you want to hold your brush at the bottom because that creates the blending motion. When you grab it from the top, you're applying because you're pressing down. Okay, we're going to go with the next shade, palette 6 from the Mystic Addiction palette from my website, cosmeticsbybea.com, which is from Unique. We're going to use both of these colors, which is Audacious and Enthralled. We're going to combine both of those colors because we want a brown, but we don't want it too dark or too light. So I'm going to use the blending brush, which is the crease brush, a crease brush, not a blending brush. And we're just going to put that a little bit at the corner of our eye, like so. And with our final color. So this eyeshadow is a 3 colors or 3 step and 3 eyeshadow color. We're gonna go ahead and go with the color Calm, which is this one right here. It is, I would say, a eggshell or more of a light tone, light pink, and it is a matte. So we're just gonna add this right in the corner of our eye just to give it that really nice matte look. And we're going to blend in just a little bit more the brown shades that we added in the corner. There we go. Next step. Okay, so using the same 2 colors, the brown colors, we are going to grab a little bit of both, and we're going to go ahead and apply it to the bottom of our eye just to give that look a little bit more of an intense. I love adding eyeshadow to the bottom of my eye. I think it goes together. It makes your eyes just look intense and more put together. There we go. Make sure you're blending your eyeshadow as well at the bottom. Okay, now eyeliner. Okay, now for mascara. Apply a couple coats to help those lashes really lift and show the beauty. I always like to also put some at the bottom of my eyelash, the bottom lashes, because I feel that they definitely stand out. The colors of the eyeshadow, they bring them to life. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a little tip that I've learned, and I've adapted this, and it's perfect for me. So I hope it helps you as well. So grab your concealer brush and put a little bit of concealer, just a bit, and then what we want to do is kind of grab the very back of her eye or the corner of her eye and just lift that, and it really gives it that really nice finish. Now you can also use tape if that works better for you before you start adding any of your eyeshadow, but this really works for me, and I feel that it does exactly the same thing. So this is the trick that I do, but it works out really good regardless if you use a tape or use this tip right here. So hope that tip helps. Okay, now for the final step, we're gonna put the Splash lipstick in the color Successful. This is a really pretty different tones you can get, but this is a really pretty color that I think will look really good with this eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and end the look and finalize the look with this beautiful shade. And there we go with the final look. Lipstick brings everything together. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I am loving this look. Simple, easy. Pick 3 colors, whatever they are. Blend them the same way. Add them the same way. And you're going to get great results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to go ahead and subscribe and turn the notifications on, as well as leave me a comment below to see what you think. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.